In today's video, we're gonna do a Gelax Ripped Glass Nails. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna do a Gelax pedicure, a ripped glass nails, as a TikTok trendy right now. So now we're just starting by pushing back the cuticle using the cuticle pusher. We're starting by prep as always. Next, I go in with my sanding band to remove the natural shine so that the product can stick better. Then I brush off the dust using my brush. Next, I go in with my cuticle nipper to remove dead skin or excess cuticle around the nail edges. I go in with my cuticle cutter to trim my nails. Then I go in with my nail file to smooth and shape the edges of my toenails after clipping. Then I wipe with my alcohol pad. Next I go in with my nail prep and primer. This helps the product stick better and last longer by removing the moisture and creating a smooth base. Then I apply a peel-off base coat. This one is optional. I'm applying it because I don't want to soak off my toenails. I just want to pop it off. And I'll apply one coat of this and then cure for 60 seconds. I'm gonna stick my nails with this portable light, and for the tips I'm using the soft gel tips. I'm gonna size them and edge them inside so that I can increase the adhesion so that the nail can last longer. And for sticking my nails, I'm gonna use this rubber base. Then I'll hold it at this angle, starting from the cuticle, and then press it down up until the gel reach the edge of my natural nails, and then that's where I stop and cure. After curing for 60 seconds, I'm going to use this nail cutter to trim the nails, and I'm going to use also the nail clipper to just trim it off. I don't want long nails, I just want them normal. Then I'm going to go in with my nail file again, but this time I'm going to smooth and shape the tips. I'm gonna go in with this drill bit to blend around the cuticle area and around my nails. This one is a sanding band just to smooth the entire tip. Then I go in with my brush to brush off the dust and wipe the entire dust with my alcohol pad. And this one is the acetone. I just go in those corners to remove the remaining dust. Then I separate my toes with the toe separators. Then here I'm applying the first coat of a rubber-based gel. I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds and then do another coat and then cure it for 60 seconds as well. Then now I'm applying the cat eye. I'm going to apply and move my magnet, and when I'm happy with the way it looks, I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. With cat eye, you have to do one nail and then cure, one nail and then cure. Like you have to do one nail at a time. Next, I will apply my top coat, my matte top coat, and then I'll cure for 60 seconds. Then I'm gonna add this gel. I normally use it for the 3D nails, so I'm gonna add it with my closey top coat so that it won't be hard and then it won't be runny at the same time. So I just want it normal. Then I'll just draw the line going down using my 20mm liner brush. If you use longer liner brush, it's gonna be easy. It's good to use a longer liner brush. So I'm just gonna draw them, make sure that they are apart, and then I'm gonna cure and draw the other one in the middle and then cure as well. Then I'll do the same thing in all my nails, and then that is the Trendy ripped glass nails, the TikTok Trendy ripped glass nails. lastly, I'm gonna apply the cuticle oil just to keep the cuticle healthy and prevents them from drying out. And this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.